Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a video on how to use your Google Classrooms effectively. As you all know, this pandemic has forced us to stay home, study and learn online. Now, in order to do that, we must access our Google Classrooms. Now, this video is primarily about how to enter your Google Classrooms. In the last video, we did how to use the Bitmoji to make your projects more interesting. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Now, let's get right into the video. First things first, you must have a Gmail account. If you don't, pause this video and sign in. I'll give you time. Now, if you know that we're all set, we will sign in to our Gmail account. I'll show you a demonstration of what it looks like when we're done. This is what your Gmail should look like when you're done. Now, let's talk about the Google Classroom. On the right top hand of your screen, you will see 9 small dots. We will click on that and that will show us all the applications. Google Meet is used for live class with your teacher. The Google Calendar is used to plan events and it's a coordinator. The Google Slides, Google Sheets, and Google Docs are a presenting mechanism and for typing. Now, let's get straight to the Google Classroom. You have this plus button here. This is how we will join a class. We will not be creating any classes, so we will join a class. Normally, your teacher provides you with the class codes. Okay, that didn't work well because I didn't type the code properly. Okay, let's join the class. Now, the stream is where the teacher updates her important information, and this is where the students post their comments. Like for example, you cannot get in the class or you have some internet issues. This is classwork, where the teacher posts her assignment and all those things. People. This is where you see all the children that are in your classes. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Click the notification bell for the latest updates.